Hello, this is Sarita. She has got some coins and wants to spend money, but she wants to carry as few coins as possible. Let's help her find the smart way. These are the coins that Sarita has. She has some big coins and some tiny coins. The 10 rupee coin is the biggest. The 1 rupee coin is the smallest. Let's make 10 rupee in many ways. If we use 10 rupee coin, we just need one coin. But if we use 5 rupee coins, we would need two of them. If we use 2 rupee coins, we need 5 coins. And if we use 1 rupee coin, we would need 10 coins. So we saw if we use small coins, we would need more and more number of coins. So here is the smart trick. Always start with big coins. They help us reach the number faster with less number of coins. Now Sarita wants to spend rupees 49. Let's use the smart trick that we learned. We'll start with the biggest coin. Let's start with the 10 rupee coin. That makes 10 rupees. We add another 10 rupee coin. Now we have 20. If we add one more 10 rupee coin, we have 30. Now add another one, 40. Should we add one more 10 rupee coin? Wait, that would make the number 50. But we would need only 49. So now let's try the next biggest coin, 5 rupee coin. So 40 plus 5 makes 45. Now we can't use 5 rupee coin again. So we will go for a 2 rupee coin. 45 plus 2, 47. If we add one more 2 rupee coin, 47 plus 2, 49. Perfect. So we started with big coins, that is 4 10 rupee coins, then one 5 rupee coin and two 2 rupee coins. Yay! Sarita is now a smart spender. She always starts with big coins and then fills the gap with the small ones. That way, she uses less coins every time. Now it's your turn. Can you make rupee 37 using the least number of coins? Remember to use big coins first. Bye bye.